Jamshedji started his own trading company, Tata & Sons, the precursor of Tata Sons, in 1868 at the age of 29. The capital invested was Rs 21,000. He ventured into textiles after making a detailed study of the Lancashire cotton trade in order to replicate that success story in his own country. In 1874, Jamsetji floated the Central India Spinning, Weaving and Manufacturing Company with a seed capital of Rs 150,000. He went against prevailing wisdom and based the company in Nagpur, the heart of Maharashtra's cotton country, rather than Bombay or Ahmedabad. On January 1st, 1877, the day Queen Victoria was proclaimed Empress of India, the Empress Mills came into existence. Empress Mills introduced many innovative products and processes. Jamsetji went against established conventions and set up a board of directors, with Nasirbanji as chairman and himself as the managing director. He introduced ring spindles instead of mule and induced the manufacturers to refine them to give 12,000 revolutions instead of 6,000. Jamsetji pioneered several welfare schemes for workers at Empress Mills: shorter working hours, well-ventilated workplaces, recreation facilities, creches, sanitary living quarters, filtered water, and a dispensary for treating minor ailments. He launched Provident Fund, gratuity, and accident compensation schemes for workers long before they became statutory in the West. Jamsetji went to America to study the technology being used by the steel plants. He saw the poor conditions American workers lived in and was determined this would not happen at the steel plant he set up. He described his concept of a township for steel workers in a letter to his son Dorab, 5 years before a site for the steel plant had been finalized. Be sure to lay wide streets planted with shady trees, every other of a quick-growing variety. Be sure that there is plenty of space for lawns and gardens. Reserve large areas for football, hockey, and parks. Earmark areas for Hindu temples, Mohammedan mosques, and Christian churches. The poverty of his countrymen deeply affected Jamsetji, but he was not an advocate of what he called patchwork philanthropy, which only benefits the recipient. He believed that what advances a nation or a community is to lift up the best and the most gifted so as to make them of the greatest service to the country. Jamsetji established the J.N. Tata Endowment in 1892 to enable Indian students, regardless of caste or creed, to pursue higher studies in England. This flowered into the Tata Scholarships.